How to preview your video in Kdenlive. First of all, after adding your clips to the timeline, look for the project monitor window. This is where you can see your video playback. Next, to start previewing, simply press the play button below the monitor or press the space bar on your keyboard. You can pause or stop the preview anytime. If you want to preview a specific section, drag the playhead to the desired point on the timeline and hit play. You can also adjust several options on the row below the project monitor. Lowering the quality helps if your computer is running slow during playback. Previewing allows you to spot any mistakes, check transitions, effects, and audio synchronization before finalizing your video. And that's it. Now you know how to preview your video in Kdenlive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.